Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the San Miguel de Allende Secrets channel here on YouTube. And today we're going to talk about Day of the Innocents. As always, if you need more information, feel free to look at the descriptive box below, and there'll be links to various websites, including Amazon.com, if you wish to purchase any of the books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series. Recently, I was reading a book by Sister Wendy. She's that nun that does all the art books and TV shows, and it led to a cool painting of Joseph and Mary and their trip to Egypt to escape King Herod's murderous rampage of all the boys under the age of 2. Sister Wendy described Joseph and Mary's faces as, quote, ashamed, because ultimately, Joseph's behavior was a cowardly act. Logic being, if he had stayed put and let Herod kill Jesus, all the other baby boys would have been saved. Now, there's a thought I never had. Personally, I like the idea my namesake is not a coward, but to think that and by a nun was surprising. On the other hand, had Joseph stayed put, who is to say Jesus wouldn't be just another corpse on the mound of infant corpses? During the holiday season on the streets of Insurgentes, there's a nativity the public can view that if you look closely in a distant castle, you'll find a window with Herod killing a baby to wrap that part of the story into the nativity display. The Herod aspect clearly is in the San Miguel de Allende's holiday season. First, there is Day of the Innocents on December 28th. Think of it as a Mexican April Fool's Day, where if caught playing a trick on a pal, you declare Innocente in honor of all the innocent boys that had died. Remember, the joke was on Herod, as Jesus escaped. Then comes the bread on Three Kings Day, with all the hidden baby boys to indicate who is to host the Candelaria party in February. The baby is hidden to represent how Jesus hid from Herod after the three kings told Herod the greatest king of all was born and who they were on their way to see. And there's one of the Jesuses in the cake in the upper right-hand corner. My favorite Christmas carol, the Coventry Carol, is a 15th century folk tune told from the point of view of one of the mothers who didn't have a Joseph to whisk her and the baby out of Herod's path of destruction. It's a moving song recorded by every singer of merit from Joan Baez to current pop stars. As for Joseph's flight being brilliant or cowardly, I can only say we never really know how we'll feel in a life and death situation until we are the ones in it. Personally, I think babies are like chips, and a demented lad like Herod would have had a hard time stopping at just one. I also think as humans and fellow parents, there couldn't have been a day that went by that Joseph or Mary didn't think about the parents who lost their sons to Herod. As always, feel free to subscribe by clicking the button below, and you'll get notifications nearly daily of new videos that come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende Secrets.